This video is going to address how to access Swank. To begin, you can access the library homepage through the link on your CCS Access Manager. On the bottom left, you will find a link titled Databases A to Z. Clicking this link will take you to our list of available databases. You'll find Swank located under the S category. You will then be able to log in using your CCS login information.
Okay, so say I'm interested in District 9, and you can see everything here by clicking See All in the upper left-hand corner next to Recently Added. And you can see that we have 17 films here, but I'm going to click on District 9. And that will take me to some information about District 9. I have the option to watch District 9, okay, and you'll see that it will lead to the video starting. And then if you scroll down just a little bit, you'll see that there's a share button here. And clicking on that, you want to copy direct link.